Hi, I'm Rosa. Thanks for joining me. I had shown you my garden about a year ago, and I have not shown you it since. It's grown, it's been trimmed, and it's looking pretty good right now. We're in January, so let me turn the camera around and show you what it looks like. I call this my rose garden, and here it is. The desert cassia is looking really nice. The crepe myrtle in the back is dormant, but I have some angel wing bougainvillea. Oh, no, excuse me. I have angel wing begonias. And my roses are doing good. I need to fill in some more here. I believe those are knockout roses. Here's the other side of the path. Those over there are doing really nicely, and that's a frangipani, or some people call it desert rose in the back. We need some more here. But for the most part, I'm very happy with how the garden looks. Here's an up close of one of the roses. And in this center little island, we have blue plumbago. And I probably need to get another one for this spot. But these knockout roses are doing fantastic. There's just little roses, really beautiful. And the bees love this area, so do the butterflies and the rabbits and our dogs. They actually love this area. Here's another desert cassia. This one's taller. It's a really nice view out of the house to see the garden over here in the side yard. We've really enjoyed it, and we actually get quite a number of compliments when people come over. Let me give you a view from the house. So that's my rose garden. Thanks for joining me, and hope to see you in the next video.